Hi folks, my name's Melissa Cole. I'm a beer and food writer, and I'm really excited to announce that next week at 7 p.m. on Thursday I will be hosting a cook-along on Big Drop's YouTube channel. So really excited about that. It's going to be fun. It's a really simple recipe. You need barely a modicum of any skill in the kitchen. Pretty much if you can make toast and butter it without setting the whole place alight or chopping off an appendage, you're going to be fine, I promise. It's an adaptation of a recipe from my book, The Beer Kitchen, and it's a warm kale and chorizo salad. We will be using the Big Drop Double Strike Sour, so get yourself along to bigdropbrew.com and you'll be able to buy some there, or if possible source it from a local independent bottle shop. That's always really nice to support local businesses at a time like this. What we're doing is we're giving you a whole week so that you can include the ingredients in your weekly shop. We don't want you to go out and have to rush out and buy things specially for it. Also, if you can't find anything, please make sure that you ask us. We will be there to help you. I will be on the end of the messages, making sure that if you can't find, for example, sunflower seeds, I'll say, don't worry about it, get some pine kernels if you can, or whatever you'd like to do. So it's really not a problem. Plus, also, vegetarians, vegans, please don't switch off. We will be offering veggie and vegan options as well, which is also important when we talk about the beer. So the beer that I'm going to be using is the Double Strike Sour. It doesn't have any lactose in it, so unlike some of the rest of the range, so again we're good on the veggie vegan front, and we're just going to try and make something really simple and just really tasty and introduce you to the world of cooking with beer. Even if you're familiar with it, I have to say this is one of the recipes I really stand by. It's just very simple. I actually personally use it quite a lot. I've cooked it quite a lot, so I know how simple it is. There's not a lot of equipment needed, a few mixing bowls, knife, board, and also a frying pan. That's it. You just need a kitchen towel, some kitchen roll as well, and you're away. So please come and join us next week, Thursday, 7 p.m. Get your Double Strike Sour in, get a few more for you to drink, and also just let you know you don't use the whole bottle, so there'll be some for the chef as well. I look forward to seeing you then. YouTube channel, Big Drop, next Thursday, 7 p.m. Cheers guys, stay safe.